Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to our session. I am Bivani, working as CRT in Bioscience in KJB Virnapalli School. In this session, I am going to discuss about what is science. Children, once you observe these pictures, one is primitive man, another one is modern man. Have you observed any difference in these two pictures? In the primitive era, the man don't have any facilities what we have now. Even they don't have clothes, they wear animal skins and don't know about any technologies. But nowadays we have so many facilities. Children, once you think why this technology not available in primitive era? Why? Because day by day science is developed. How it is developed? Of course, it is developed by human brains. Science is a process of thinking. There are people who think differently to observe and understand the nature in a specific way. It is amazing to think of the facilities available today when compared to primitive era. Nowadays we have computers, mobile phones, internet, space shuttles, robotics, hybrid food grains, medicines are all the result of the ideas which originated in some human brains. By observation and experimentation, we invent new things. Scientists also work like this. Children, all of you know about Newton. He is a famous scientist. He discovered gravitational force by sat under apple tree. How they discovered gravitational force? One day he sat under the apple tree. He think why apple was fell down. By thinking, he discovered gravitational force. Children, now we are all in COVID-19 pandemic situation. How it is prevented? COVID-19 prevented by vaccination. We are all know about this. How we will get vaccines? Vaccines are prepared by scientists in laboratory by experimental process. That means science is a process of experimentation and observation. Science. Let us discuss about what is science. Before going to discuss the topic, we will discuss about objectives of this lesson. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand the need of science, differentiate between individual and social perspective, understand science and change, and explain the scientific methods. Scientists following methods are scientific methods, and identify the steps in planning and investigation. Discuss the types of measurements used in science. What are the processes used in the science we will discuss in this topic. Understand the safety rules to be followed while doing an investigation. During an investigation, which precautions we will take? These are also discussed in this topic. Now, what is science? Science is the concerned human effort to understand better the history of the natural world and how the natural world works with observable physical evidence. Science is a process of thinking. Science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on experimentation. Science is a tool for searching truths of nature. Science is the way of exploring the world. Questioning is the primary or fundamental step in scientific thinking. There are many phenomena in nature around us which sprout doubts in our minds. Of course, there may be problems. Let us observe the following experiences. You too. Why do leaves fall down from the tree? Why they turn into yellow? How do ants identify sweets kept in a tin? Why cannot we see stars during daytime? Pickles do not spoil, but sambar gets spoiled. Why? These are all doubts may sprout in your minds. To get answer for all these questions, it can from the answers get from science. What is science? Science, already we discussed about science is a process of thinking. Science. The word science comes from Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Already we have discussed science is a tool for searching truths of nature, and science is the way of exploring the children. Are you okay, children? Let us follow me. Okay. We will discuss some examples. Discuss about some scientists. An ecologist. Do you know ecologist? Ecologist observes the behavior of different organisms living in different habitats, like crows on trees, tigers in forests, fish in water, and earthworms in the soil. Children, do you know ecologist? Ecologist observes the behavior of different organisms living in different habitats. You know, different organisms live in different habitats, just like water, forest, trees. These are all discussed by ecologist. A geologist studies the distribution of fossils and minerals in the earth crust. What works geologist? Geologist studies about distribution of fossils. At which place fossils are there or minerals are there. These are all discussed by geologist. Both the scientists are making observations in order to find out patterns in natural phenomena. Observations and research done by these people enlighten the general public. These are all observed and discussed different phenomena. That's why we are all know about all the above things. Some organisms different in different habitats. That's just like that. An astrophysicist photographs stars, distant galaxies. Children, do you know we have stars and planets, sun. These are all explained by astrophysicist. A climatologist draws data from weather balloons. Children, this is the rainy season. In which place rain coming or which place rain does not coming. These are all reported by climatologist. Similarly, there are other scientists making observations. The examples above are of observational science. Whatever discussed in the above are, these are all these are all under observational science. These are all comes under observational science. There is also experimental science. Children, we have already discussed science is in two types. One is observational science and one is experimental science. A chemist observes the rate of one chemical reaction at different temperatures. A nuclear physicist records the results of angular momentum of a particular particle in a circular path. Both the scientists are performing experiments to discover consistent patterns. Children, understand? Some scientists are discussed about observational science and some scientists discuss about experimental science. A biologist observing the reaction of a particular tissues to various stimulants is likewise experimenting to find patterns of behavior. When few scientists investigate on the causes of a diseases, while others may investigate on the prevention of it. Some scientists works on the causes of diseases and some other works on the how they prevention. So the findings of a scientist are used as a base for the other scientists. These scientists work in labs and wear impressive white lab coats. Children, do you see scientists? Children, how they will appear? They wear a white coat and they research in laboratories and this find some new